recently one of my senior in my previous organization called me and asked, Prajwal, is it all okay? Have you lose your job or what? I said, no sir, why? What happened? He said, I was just going through my Facebook feeds and there I saw your videos. Videos are really good, but I thought you might have lost your job and that's why you came into this video making. I said, no sir, it's all okay, all going good. But one thing which he shared, which literally triggered me and provokes me to make this video for you. He said, Prajwal, whatever motivational and life learning lessons you are giving through your videos are really good. But tell me, who is going to watch these videos? He said, don't take me otherwise, but we Indians have got two very beautiful novels in the form of Mahabharata and Ramayana. People knows each and every line, each and every sentences, incident from these two, and despite of knowing all the good things they are not adapting to their lives, then how could you expect that after watching your videos they will be enlightened? Moreover, he said, in Dwapar Yuga, in Mahabharata, Lord Krishna gave those life learning lessons through Bhagavad Gita, and the listener was Arjuna. And here you might be sharing the things very pure-heartedly. But my brother, nobody is Arjun today. That took me by surprise. Actually, I was a bit confused. What this man trying to say? Is he praising me but saddened because people hardly follow these good things? Or is he pulling my leg that whatever you are doing is not going to work? Whatever it is, I respect his perspective. At least he watched my videos thoroughly and came to a conclusion and made a thought in his mind, took his phone, called me and expressed his views. And after talk on my videos, we chat for almost 20 minutes for work and all. And believe me guys, we were talking almost after 7 years. Friends, how I ended that discussion, I will come to it later. But if you have noticed, what would have been the best part of the discussion which we had? My opinion, views, perspective I shared through my videos, and over which my senior expressed his thought, views, perspective. There might be a clashes of thoughts, might be a clashes of perspective, but he expressed what he thought, what he had inside him. Guys, when you express, you are already into the thought process. You articulate your word to express what you feel. You might have seen that one guy who is good in implementing the things, but when it comes to expressing, when it comes to presenting, he fails. He can't present it in effective and proper manner. Guys, let me tell you, this habit of expressing will certainly help you and will boost your thought process to the next level. This will not only help you professionally but also while maintaining your personal relationship and resolving your family conflicts and many cases. It will certainly help you. Let me tell you how. In every family there used to be some conflict, some issues, and why should not be there? Where there is a love, there are certain expectations, some issues and conflicts. But when not treated in proper manner, when not handled in proper manner, it might lead to some serious problems. Let me tell you who is the main culprit in these things. No. I am not going to target one specific person. Suppose there is a conflict in two persons. And these two persons, instead of coming to a single platform and sharing their views, share these things with every other person, but not with that person with whom he or she has an issue or a conflict, and problem starts there only. This might be a very beautiful example of not expressing their views, opinion and perspective. While expressing, you feel relaxed, you feel resolved and you will be happy, don't you? And now coming to the answer of the question which my senior asked that day. Probably he might have not seen my first video. And if you are among those who have not seen my first video on YouTube, then do watch that video. There you will get an answer and the reason behind starting the YouTube channel. The link of that video is coming up there and it is in description box below as well. After watching my first video, you can clearly compare the way I express, the way I speak, my confidence level, my body language. Guys, I am really not pretending to be someone very good. But this happened with me just in the span of 3 months. And when it happens with me, then why can't it happen with you? And it is a journey without any destination. It is a process of getting better every day, a process of finding the best version of yourself. This is my way of expressing my feeling, views, opinion and perspective towards life. How do you express yourself? Please let me know in the comment box. And if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I weekly upload the video which will help you and many among us to be the best version of themselves. Do share this video with your family and friends. Who knows, after watching this video, you may receive a call from your beloved one which will help you to resolve your old conflict and may strengthen your relationship. That's it for today guys. This is Prajwal Gaikwad signing off. Thanks for watching and stay motivated.